this book myself, and it is called I Find Ash, and this is a very easy book to make. You can just take a white piece of paper, just put it like this, like a little book, and then you put it like this, and that's how you make one of these books. And you can also write pictures or words inside of them. But I made little comic strips. And I hope you like making books in the future, because I think that's what I'll become. And I think I'll like this book. Read it. It's really short, but if you want to, you can also write on the back, like I did with the Sonic book, and now Sonic book is broken, but anyway, I made a new one, but not made out of Sonic, just from Pokemon. Thank you for this special announcement and for understanding.